Congratulations, your offer just got accepted. High five. Now what? Because this next stage is where 50% of buyers start to get cold feet and maybe panic a bit. But none of it's necessary if you know what's coming. So let's take you through. Hey, I'm Leanna Martins, trusted Edmonton real estate agent and VP of Just One More Question and Agent to the Stars, or at least smart folks like you who want to skip the stress and win at the real estate game. Hey, click the link below to get the Making an Offer checklist and prepare for what comes next. Or maybe you're planning on getting out there soon. Email me direct at leanna@martinsgroup.ca to book your custom one-to-one strategy session. There's never any sales, just good advice that you can trust. Okay, so let's talk about what accepted actually means. First off, accepted doesn't mean finalized. It means you now have work to do. So your offer is now conditional. It's a conditional purchase contract and you've got a timeline, usually 7 to 10 days, to satisfy your buyer's conditions. So 1, most common ones, home inspection. 2, financing. And 3, review of condo documents if you're purchasing a condominium. Reviewing the RPR and title is your realtor's job. And it's a way of red flagging anything that may come up later for you that we need to know about now. And an additional condition could be a sale of buyer's home condition, again, if you're in a buyer's market or a balanced market. Pro tip, the clock is already ticking. Your realtor's gonna manage the paperwork, so that's good news. Deadlines and nudges, but you're gonna be busy for the next few days. Here are some of the other things that you're gonna be managing during this period. 1 is your deposit. So your deposit is going to be submitted to the brokerage, and this is the brokerage that is listing the property. This legally holds the deal and shows good faith to the seller. And what happens with your paperwork? So your paperwork is going to be shared with your mortgage broker and your lawyer. Your inspection is booked and your calendar has some breathing room. Some realtors wait until the deal is firm before they forward any documentation to a lawyer, and some will do it at the time of conditions. If this is already making your palms sweat, grab the step-by-step checklist with the link below to help break it down and take the pressure off and keep it simple for you. You don't need to remember all of this. I've mapped it out for you to make it as easy as possible. So let's talk about the condition period and what you actually have to do. So here's your short list to do as the buyer. 1, you got to work with your mortgage broker. So they may come back and ask some additional documents. 2, attend your home inspection and ask all the questions. Seriously, that is exactly what they're there for. And 3, work with your professionals. So work with your lawyer, work with your realtor, work with a condo doc review company if that's what you've got. Or maybe there's an RPR issue. Your realtor communicates that and you all communicate together, legal team, realtor, and you, and advise you on best next steps. And the good news reminder, your realtor handles the flow of communication between everyone. So all you need to do is really just show up, review what's been presented and what's needed, and you get to make a confident yes or no decision with your realtor's guidance, your lawyer's guidance, and the team that you've got behind you. And we are now at the condition removal stage. So this is your all-in moment. This is when you say yes to the inspection and your mortgage broker gets the financing cleared and approved and underwritten. You remove your conditions, and that's when this thing becomes legally binding and you have purchased your home. If something happens to come up with the inspection, perhaps, we negotiate, amend the contract, or you get to walk away without penalty and you will get your deposit back. That is the point of your buyer's condition period. So you don't have to worry about any pressure. You don't remove until you're satisfied. Once the conditions are removed, your lawyer is going to get the green light and you get to start planning movers, insurance, utilities hookups, and you shift into possession prep mode, which we are going to cover fully in video 4. So getting your offer accepted is exciting, but it's just the beginning. What you do in the next 7 to 10 days decides whether this deal fizzles or flies. And the best part, you're not doing it alone. You've got an entire team of support people that are there with your realtor quarterbacking the whole process for you. Hey, don't forget to click the link below, Making an Offer checklist. It's going to give you everything you need to know that we've talked about in a simple step-by-step format. And if you're ready to start planning, email me below to book a one-to-one strategy call, leanna@martinsgroup.ca, and we're going to map out a custom prep plan just for you. There's never any sales. There's only smart strategy to get you what you need. So what's up next? Video 3. Who does what? What does your lawyer actually do? What's title? What's funding? What do you need to be prepared for? Because let's be honest, most buyers don't even know what their lawyer does except give them a giant bill at the end. So let's make sure that you understand the process and get you ready to roll. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.